Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's cautious about taking risks, but still wants to build wealth over time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 risk-free passive income ideas that are perfect for investors who want to grow their money without putting it all on the line. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor looking for low-risk options, these ideas are for you. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on more valuable content on wealth building, smart investing, and financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. High-yield savings accounts, safe and steady. Let's start with something super simple and low-risk, high-yield savings accounts. These are accounts where you can deposit your money, and it earns interest over time, typically at a higher rate than regular savings accounts. Why it's great for cautious investors: FDIC insured. Your deposits are insured up to $250,000, so your money is safe. Low maintenance. Once you set it up, the money grows without any effort. No risk, your principal is safe, and you can access your funds anytime without penalty. Action tip: shop around for the best rates, and look for online banks that often offer better returns than traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. 2. Dividend stocks. Earning while you sleep. Dividend stocks are one of the most well-known ways to earn passive income with relatively low risk, especially if you stick to stable, well-established companies. How it works: companies pay dividends to shareholders as a way of distributing profits. This means you get paid a portion of the company's earnings, typically on a quarterly basis. By investing in large, stable companies or dividend-focused ETFs, exchange-traded funds, you can earn a consistent income stream. Why it's great for cautious investors: consistency. Many blue-chip companies have a long history of paying dividends consistently. Low volatility. By focusing on high-quality, established companies, you minimize the risk. Reinvestment opportunity. You can choose to reinvest your dividends, allowing your wealth to compound. Action tip: look for dividend aristocrats. Companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts for 25 years or more. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Earn interest with low risk. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending is a way to earn passive income by lending your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Why it's great for cautious investors: diversification. You can spread your investment across several loans, which minimizes risk. Short-term options. Some loans have short repayment periods, allowing you to earn returns quickly. Low-risk options. By choosing lower-risk loan categories or sticking to platforms with solid track records, you can reduce your exposure. Action tip: start by investing small amounts in higher-rated loans to test the platform and its reliability. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in property without the hassle. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate projects without the need to buy a property outright. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. Why it's great for cautious investors: diversification. Real estate crowdfunding platforms typically offer a range of investment options, including residential, commercial, and even international properties. Low initial investment. You don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to start. Some platforms allow you to invest with as little as $500. Passive. Once your investment is made, you earn rental income or a share of the profits from property sales. Action tip: look for platforms with strong performance histories and low fees. Start with a small investment to get a feel for how the process works. 5. Government bonds. Steady, low-risk returns. Government bonds are one of the safest ways to generate passive income. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to the government in exchange for regular interest payments. Why it's great for cautious investors: low-risk government bonds, especially U.S. Treasury bonds, are considered virtually risk-free because they're backed by the government. Predictable income. You know exactly how much you'll earn, making it easy to plan your cash flow. Variety of options. From short-term Treasury bills to long-term bonds, you can find an option that fits your financial goals. Action tip: consider I-bonds, inflation-protected bonds, for a safe investment that also helps protect you against inflation. 6. Robo-advisors. Automated, low-risk investing. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront offer a simple, low-risk way to invest in diversified portfolios without having to manage them yourself. How it works: robo-advisors create a diversified investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They automatically rebalance your portfolio, reinvest dividends, and take care of all the heavy lifting for you. Why it's great for cautious investors. Diversification. Robo-advisors spread your money across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, etc., reducing risk. Low fees. These services are often cheaper than hiring a traditional financial advisor. Set it and forget it. Once your account is set up, it works for you, with minimal involvement required. Action tip: choose a robo-advisor with low management fees and one that offers tax loss harvesting to optimize returns. 7. Creating and selling digital products. Passive income with creative work. If you have a talent or skill, whether it's writing, designing, or coding, you can create digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables and sell them online. Why it's great for cautious investors. Low overhead. Once the product is created, there's no physical inventory to manage, and distribution is mostly automatic. Scalable. Once you've created a product, you can sell it over and over without additional work. Control. You control the price and marketing, and the income potential is limitless. Action tip: start with a simple product like an ebook or a guide. Market it on platforms like Amazon or Etsy, or create your own website. And there you have it, 7 risk-free passive income ideas that you can start implementing today. No matter how cautious you are about investing, these options allow you to grow your wealth steadily without taking unnecessary risks. Remember, passive income isn't about making quick money. It's about creating long-term, sustainable wealth through consistent efforts. Whether you're just getting started or already experienced in investing, there's a strategy here that can work for you. Action tip: choose one of these passive income streams and get started today. The key is to start small and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can stay updated on future videos. I'd love to hear which passive income idea you plan to try. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to making money work for you.